Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are smoking two rib roasts. So I used olive oil as a binder, and then the seasoning I did salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. I then let these sit in the fridge overnight. So they sat in the fridge for roughly 24 hours before I started smoking them. So I'm gonna start the first smoking temp off at 250 degrees until the rib roast hits 100 degrees internal. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn the smoker up to 450 degrees until the rib roast hits 120 degrees internal. That will put your rib roast right about medium rare. After that, you ideally want to let it wrap it and sit it for about 30 minutes to an hour. I had to leave mine wrapped for 6 hours because we were doing dinner at my parents and we weren't eating until later in the day. So not ideal. I didn't like the color of it when it was finished. It still turned out really good. It was juicy. It's pulled apart pretty easily. Had really good smoke flavor. I'll probably do it again and not let it rest that long. Obviously, wasn't ideal, but I'll probably do it again and let it rest for 30 minutes to see a different outcome. Thank you.